Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric, and today, as you guys will see from the screen, from the drone shot, I'm currently in a place called Village Marina. I forgot the name of the place. Fort Pierce, Florida, because I'm gonna be heading out into those islands you guys may have seen from the drone shot, out on the water, because I'm going to be doing a water review / camping trip with the Saturn SD330. Beautiful boat. I've done the unboxing. I put that link below if you guys want to check it. Phenomenal boat. Quite lightweight. It's not super heavy. I had no trouble taking it out of the car. I rolled it down with a dolly down the ramp right here. Small little wheel dolly right under where the outboard sits. Super easy. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna jump in the water, start heading out to the islands. I got the 360 camera. I'm gonna give it a round. Once I settle down on an island, I'll fool around the water. I only got about 2 hours left of daylight saving, so I don't have much time. Have the drone follow me while I'm riding. It's gonna be fun. So let's get to it. As you guys saw from the 360 camera, the big angle camera, whichever way you want to call it, water's a little choppy, but I was able to catch plane very nicely. I'm gonna check first that island in front of me, right that one. There's a spot behind it. There's a spot right there and one behind it. I want to see which one's available and then take it. Woo! Adventure time, baby. Yeah! This model is very quick on its feet. If we can call it, let's call it flippers. This thing is very quick on its flippers. Woo! It catches plane very quickly, very nicely. Oh my God. I'm having way too much fun. So it looks like the storm surge of the hurricanes we had here this year in Florida closed out that section, man. That place was wide open. Okay, so I have to find out the spot. Let's see what I can find then. All right, the search is on. All right, so that spot's not available. Oh well. There's something I need to confess, guys. I currently own the Saturn ZK380. I was planning to get one of those heavy-duty inflatable boats that the Boatstogo sells. This boat, they loaned it to me for me to try. I'm gonna ask them to sell it to me. I am amazed at how quick it is. I know I review these boats, right? On the regular basis. This is what I do. It's my hobby, is what I'm inspired to do. I'm gonna buy this boat. I'm gonna ask the boss guy from Boatstogo, hey, how much for this? Because I want to keep it. I like it. I like it a lot. Anyway, that island is no bueno. I'm gonna check that other one in front of me. Let's see what's going on over there. Okay, so I found my island. There's a dolphin over there I saw. Show yourself, buddy. Where you at? Huh? Anyway, island right here seems to be available, unoccupied. I'm gonna take it. Oh yeah, baby, I'm gonna take that one. Woo-hoo! All right, so I am parked right there. This is the island. Fortunately, it's mostly blocked off this section because of the storms, but look at all this space I have tonight. Oh, and it's nice and breezy too. Ooh, Oh, look at this. Holy God above in heaven. This is a little piece of heaven, baby. Oh, yeah. You better believe it. Oh, this is beautiful. All right. So I'm going to do right now, I'm going to go grab the drone so you guys can see the island where I'm at. Then after that, set up camp, show you guys what that looks like. I'm thinking of hitting the water for about a minute or two. I'm going to get the 360 camera on top of me while the drone follows me. The drone footage will be on the corner. You guys will be seeing the 360 area on top. It's going to be cool. It's going to be cool. Hopefully I can pull it off. Anyway, we got the drone. Okay, so my campsite is more or less set up at the moment. Got my seating arrangement right here, a chair, a little table, elevated bonfire. I don't want to burn the ground, anything like that. Tent right here. And what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna grab the other camera gear, slap it on my head, get the drone to follow me, because I'm gonna go ahead and just, like a minute or two just riding so you guys can see it in motion, right? You guys gonna see the images. I'm just still shocked that I sold myself that boat. It's a humbling experience. Anyway, let me get to work. Okay, I think everything is ready at the moment. You guys will see on the corner, the drone's going to follow me. And I'm just gonna, run for a couple minutes so you guys can see it. After all, I just bought this boat. Oh my God. All right, here we go. Okay. Here we go, run for a couple minutes. Just messing about. Yeah. Alright, drone still following me, that's good. I'm so impressed as to how well this boat maneuvers. And it's not even one of the highest end ones that's supposed to go in Saturn cells. This is one of the standard ones. And it's so amazing. It's so amazing that I'm gonna buy it. Woo! Oh yeah, turning. Woo! Well, I'm not supposed to be running in this area. No. Too much fun. Okay, I think that's good. Footage wise, I think that is fantastic. I think the drone, the drone loves me. Oh heavens, that was awesome. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now that I'm back, I got with me 1 hour daylight. I'm done what I wanted in the water. I don't feel secure to leave it out here, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it around here. I don't have transom wheels, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna detach the motor and everything else and just pick it up, because it's not that heavy, so I can just bring it with me. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. I'm gonna fast forward this like a time lapse type of deal. That way I don't bore you guys. This is a Henkai 12 horsepower, so it only weighs about 60 pounds. So it's not too terrible to handle. That's why I didn't mind doing this. The boat is lightweight. This motor is lightweight, so yeah, why not? Gives me peace of mind. I was doing a quick whatchamacallit, YouTube short. There we go. Nothing to it. Alright, so I'm just gonna chill, eat some dinner, and I'll show you guys at nighttime, and I'll close the video with that. What an adventure. Before nightfall comes, since I'm out here, I want to add this to the video. Look at that beautiful sunset, guys. Woo-wee. This, my friends, this is why I do what I do. Because I get to have these adventures very cheaply, all right, reliably. I don't have to spend thousands of dollars on a boat. That's more than enough. I thank God for these moments. Anyway, I'm gonna wait for it to get darker. I'm gonna light up the entire campsite with some lights, and then I'll finish with that. Okay, so nighttime has arrived. Sun's like already going down. So what do you guys think, huh? I don't think I have enough lights. I like my campsites well lit. Okay, let me put myself in a spot where you guys can see me. Otherwise you won't be able to. Well, this was a humbling experience, to be honest with you. I wasn't expecting to fall in love with this model. Although it is loaned, like I mentioned earlier, I'm going to buy it because it fits all my needs. I'm an adventurer. This is what I do. You know, and it's got enough space. It's light enough. I didn't have a hard time putting it in the car, taking it out, handling it. It was a breeze. I put it on a dolly. It doesn't even have transom wheels. I put a little dolly, just roll right off. It was just perfect. So yeah, my final verdict. How much I love it, I'm gonna buy it. If you guys are looking for a simple, doable, you know, straightforward inflatable boat, the SD330 is a fantastic winner. I'm sold. I'm gonna buy it. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys found this video informative and somewhat entertaining. I will put links of the inflatable boats above and below. Do check them. It helps me because I'm part of the affiliate program and all that. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.